And then the Prophet Ibrahim told to his son Ishmael that I saw in the dream that Allah command me to sacrifice you. And I am sacrificing you, slaughtering you in the dream. So that is the only child the Prophet Ibrahim at that time he had. And Allah take a trial, the test from him, slaughter your son. Go and kill your son. So Allah want to test that he love Allah more or he love his son more. And then he was not back out. He go and he wanted to sacrifice his son. I don't think so. Is there any more harder test can ever be given to a human being? A father who has only one son and he is commanded by Allah to sacrifice your son. And then he was willing to do that sacrifice. So that was the greatest sacrifice. And then there is other greatest sacrifice was the children of Prophet Muhammad, Hussein and all the family. They give also sacrifice for Allah. They all were slaughtered in the way of Allah for the sake of Allah.